This video is going to be about how to sync your computer clock with your Tradovate clock in their platform. When you get your platform set up, mine at least was out of sync, so it's going on Central Time, and I live in Eastern Standard Time. So this video is going to show you how to sync the clocks. So as you'll see up top here, I have a warning up here saying your clock is out of sync with the atomic clock. Please check your computer's time settings and log off and back in after changing. So I didn't know how to do this or how to fix it, obviously, so I just went and Googled it, and let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do if you have a PC here, you right click down here where the time is and click on Adjust Date and Time, and then you'll see this button right here that pops up under Time and Language and Date and Time that says Sync Now. If you have a Mac, you'll see right here, this is what you need to do. You'll go to System Preferences, Date and Time, and then ensure that you set date and time automatically. Make sure that that feature is enabled. And you'll see down here, you can check for updates, ensuring your operating system and Tradovate application are up to date. And then if you're still having issues, verify your time zone is correctly set in your computer settings. So what I'm going to do since I have a PC is I'm going to click on this Sync Now button. And you'll see right here that I have a check mark here, so it looks like it's been synced. And so now I'm going to log back out. So right here it says check your computer's time settings, log off, and then back in. So I'll log out of Tradovate, and then I'll come back in. So as you'll see, as I log back in here to Tradovate, that error is now gone at the top of the platform. So as you'll see up top here, when I access the platform, it's still showing Central Standard Time, and I'm on the Eastern time zone. So what you want to do to actually change it, which I'm not sure why it didn't automatically do it, but you'll come over here to Applications Settings right up top on the right, click on that, and go to Preferences, and then you'll come down here where it says Notification Center, and it shows Show Time In, and it says Central Time Zone. I'm going to click Local Time, and let's see if that changes it. And there you go. So it changed it automatically when I did that. So now you'll see it's showing Eastern Standard Time. So I'm not sure why it does the clock like that, why it doesn't do it automatically, but that's the way that you got to get it set up in your Tradovate platform.